Still creating employee schedules manually, Deputy promises to automate scheduling, track employee hours, and simplify workforce management. But is it worth using in 2026? Let's find out. Deputy is a workforce management platform designed for businesses with hourly employees. It's widely used in industries like retail, hospitality, healthcare, and restaurants to manage schedules, attendance, and labor costs from one dashboard. Features. The biggest feature is smart employee scheduling. You can build schedules in minutes, copy previous shifts, and let employees swap shifts with manager approval. The beauty also includes time tracking with a digital clock in and clock out system. Employees can use a smartphone, tablet, or computer, and GPS or facial recognition help prevent time theft where supported. Another useful feature is leave management, allowing employees to request time off while managers approve requests without creating scheduling conflicts. The platform also provides labor cost forecasting. It compares scheduled hours with sales or labor budgets, helping businesses control staffing costs. Deputy integrates with popular payroll and business tools like QuickBooks, Xero, Gusto, ADP, Square, and Zapier, making payroll processing much faster and easier. Pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Easy to use scheduling interface, fast employee shift swapping, accurate time tracking, strong payroll integrations, mobile apps for managers and employees. Cons. Costs increase as your team grows. Some advanced features require higher tier plans. Smaller businesses with only a few employees may find it more than they need. Final verdict and conclusion. Deputy is one of the best employee scheduling solutions in 2026, especially for businesses with shift workers. Its automation, time tracking, payroll integrations, and mobile experience make scheduling much easier while helping reduce labor costs. If your business relies on hourly employees, Deputy is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe for more software reviews, and check out our other comparisons to find the best tools for your business. Thanks for watching and goodbye.